Okay, so you can see what my issue is. My tire is way too close to the leaf spring, and it's actually rubbing. I just put a lift kit on this guy and some bigger tires. It's happening on both sides. On the left side, it's only happening when I make turns, but on the right side, it grinds pretty constantly, enough that you'll see later all the rubber that's it's already shaved off. So hopefully I haven't ruined the tire yet. But the easiest way to solve this is with something called a wheel spacer. I'm going to put some links in the description down below for a few different ones. The general recommendation is for you to use the shortest one that works, which would probably be a 1/2 inch for most people. So this is all it is. It's just this really this billeted piece of aluminum that's designed to go on the wheel. You just take these nuts that come on the new studs, and you're basically securing the wheel spacer to the lugs that were on the original, and then you'll put the wheel back on. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of this. So it is going to move the wheel out, and you can get them in different sizes. I did mention that, but there's some other issues that could be pros and cons depending on what you're looking for. Some people put these on because it makes the golf cart look better. You see all these rubber shavings? That's part of my tire. So a lot of people do it just for looks. Obviously it does technically improve handling a little bit. It would increase the stability of the golf cart. You got a wider stance now. So there's a lot of reasons people put these on. Now some of the downsides, it does put more stress on, obviously a little bit more stress on the axle and the bearings in there. Most people say you're not going to notice this long term. Some of the other things that could push your wheel out so far that it might be throwing mud up, missing your the fender well. So that's something to consider as well. Also, don't be like me and use a jack stand if you're going to do this. This wasn't the smartest idea, having it resting on the jack. It might just be a golf cart, but with all those batteries in it, if it had fallen, it would have definitely caused some damage. So those are the main reasons. It'll also, please note, it will increase the turning radius. Increase it. It'll make the turning radius it'll take even more of a radius to turn, so it'll be harder to back out, that kind of thing. And if you've already got one of these lift kits, you already know that most of them come with some wheel stops that limit your turning radius already. So it's going to make it a little bit worse, maybe not noticeable, but just something to keep in mind. So that's about it. Like I said, really all you need is basically whatever it takes to take the lug nuts off. So now let's take a look. So look at the increased spacing I have now. So this was before. You see the wheel is literally touching the leaf spring, and then this is after. See, I've got probably 3/4 of an inch with space in there now. Alright, I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.